PQ50WT series. Conventional, large-size, multi-axis robots typically require several cables and interconnects to go between the controller and the robotic arm. Easier cable wiring inside the robotic arm is possible by using branch-style contact on the controller side. The use of a branch contact on the controller side allows for the use of thinner, more flexible wire to go the robotic arm. The Hirose PQ50WT connector realizes this branching concept. Current flow can be distributed within the connector, which decreases the number of individual cables and simplifies the cabling process. Both plug and receptacle bodies hold 6 housing units each. Various types of housing units are available to maximize the flexibility in your layout. The combination of the housing units can be customized to meet specific application needs, such as hybrid power and signal combinations, and branch and normal contacts in the same connector. A single lever lock design makes for an easy and secure locking operation.